Let's see. Ooh, I got one. Hey, what's up folks? It's Troy, and just finished with about a 3-mile hike at one of my local hiking trails that I enjoy. And I'm here at a creek, I guess fishing hole, and I'm just gonna try my luck with a little Tenkara fishing. So let's see what happens. So I don't know if you can see that there are some fish in this open water area here. If you look right where the tip of my rod is, there's a fish there. And let's see, right there next to this log structure, there's a log running right here. There's some fish there. But these fish are in clear water. They can see me, I can see them. So I kind of like to fish in this shaded area where I'm at a little bit more distance. The fish are definitely probably hiding in that shade for protection from the sun, and then also just from birds of prey. And so I tend to like to fish in these type of areas where there's a little more cover, there's a little more habitat that can disguise both me and my bait. Recast. There we go. Nothing on that cast. Let's see. Not exactly where I wanted to be. I want to be a little further in. Well, I may have spooked the fish at the moment. We'll see. Sometimes when you catch one fish, it does spook the others. Whoop! Oh, I just had a strike, but I didn't set the hook. Let's see. It's right about in this area. Oh, did you see that? That fish has action. Let's see if I can drag it over this area once more. Oh, gosh, it's a super colorful fish too. I really would like to see what it looks like. He's jumping for it, but he's not taking it in. All right, let's try one more time. Oh man, that was just a beautiful, oh, that was just a beautiful fish. Let's see, I cast a little further out. I may have spooked him. Let's try back over this area. Nothing over here. You know, I suppose I could try in this open area where there's a lot of clarity. Let's see. Here, and I can see the fish and they're just looking at my bait, but they're not pursuing it at all. Oh, there's one little guy, but he is not taking it. Sometimes these fish are just lethargic. It is early, kind of early mid-morning. So the fish are not really feeding at this time, typically. But sometimes they will strike just on instinct. Oh man, I just want to catch one more little guy. It seems that I'm having the best luck when I spot the fish and I cast directly into it and they just strike it right away, almost on instinct. I'm not able to attract any fish at the moment based on just luring the fish, but here we go. Let's see. Nothing. Yeah, they're not biting, they're not feeding right now, it looks like. Nothing. Okay, so this is what I'm working with today. It's my little Tenkara rod, and I just have a pretty simple dry fly reverse hackle here at this beautiful water hole. There's some fish right there, and then there's also some fish over in this shaded area. I think I'm going to try over this way. My rod is about 10 feet long and my line is about 15 feet long. Ooh, there's some activity right there. Let's see. Ooh, I got one. It looks like a little sunny. All right, I'm gonna put my camera down and then bring this fish up and take a look at him. Okay, so this is the fish that I just caught. It's a pretty sunfish. Looks like it might be a green sunfish. Beautiful color. And I'm gonna release it. And it's doing fine.